All right, what up YouTube? Today we are surprising my buddy with some parts for his Vette. Right here we have a front splitter, a little spoiler, and this all came from the guys down at Extreme Online Store. Big shout outs to them hooking me up with this stuff. They also hooked me up with this front lip and these side splitters right here, full of carbon fiber. They look super sick, super high quality stuff. So we're gonna pull it to my boy's shop, surprise him with these items, and then help him install it on his C7 Vette. We got everything packed in the M3, barely. I don't know if this is actually gonna close. Oh, well, there we go. Now it's all in the M3, so sick. It'll close now for sure. No, now we can make our way to his shop and surprise him with that stuff. All right, we're here at my buddy's shop now. This is his Vette. We have some packages from Extreme Online Store, as I told you guys before. And yeah, we're gonna unbox them real quick and show you guys what is inside of these boxes. Here's package 1 of 3. Oh, it's part of the front splitter.
Yeah, it's part of the front splitter. That's what I was talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look how good the quality is on this stuff.
Yeah.
It's ridiculous.
Like this and everything.
Yeah. So, if you look at it,
Nice.
this factory one is the same color.
Mm-hmm.
And so, this is a factory option stage 2 front lip. This one's a stage 3.5. And it's crazy that, like, dude.
Dang, it even has pearl in it. Look at that.
Yeah, yeah. And look at this.
Holy.
Look at the fitment of the inside. It replicates exactly how it fits. So boom.
Dang. Yeah, and you can see how much more aggressive this is versus, move that real quick, versus this right here. So,
and this one's super beat up. So
yeah, this is gonna look sick. All right, let's get the main piece unboxed real quick and then set it all up and show you guys. All right, here's one of their stickers, throwing it on the Vette. We still got to get the middle part of it all extracted out. But big shout out to Extreme Online Store. They hooked us up with that front splitter and this spoiler here. And yeah, the Vette is going to be looking sick. And here's a little sticker that I got on my M3 so you can see the final results of what that looks like. Just a quick reminder, these side skirts right here, these are from Extreme Online Store. Super high quality, super nice carbon. Same thing with this front lip right here. This thing looks nice. The weave on it is crazy. And yeah, this front splitter is literally like on par with OEM, probably even better. Like the paint on it is insane, and the pearl on it, if we get really close to it, like it's super quality. All right, check it out, you guys. Everything is unboxed. This is like the spoiler valence part of it. This is the front lip, like I showed you guys already. Here's all the pieces. It's super insane, super high quality. Like these go right below those little side pieces there. And look at all the hardware you get. You even get like plastic rivets and that too. But yeah, big shout out to Extreme Online Store. Once again, they hooked it up and the Vette is about to transform.
an extremely big part of the reason of why I told Patrick to hit up Extreme Online Store is because I've used it on my personal customer cars. The quality is insane. It fits just like OEM fitment, but if you want super high quality stuff, immaculate fitment. I've never had anything for any Corvette or Camaro that I've installed not fit right. So if you want perfect fitment, a happy customer, and a good looking car, Extreme Online Store, easy peasy. Make it your first choice and last choice.
Yes, sir. Big shout outs to them. So we're going to get all the OEM stuff off, get all this stuff mocked up and put onto the Vette. All right, so this goes on right here. We basically just have to remove 2 bolts on each side. And then also this comes supplied with these little gaskets right here, these rubber gaskets, and they just fit right in there perfectly snug. Just place it on there, press down a little bit with your thumb, and then they'll sit right in there. These slots are also adjustable, so you can have the height wherever you want, and we'll finalize all that when we have it mocked up. So yeah, these are going to be T20 Torx bits.
Here we go.
All right, there it is, all installed. This thing looks freaking sick, and these line up perfect. Like, damn, that shit looks good. The only thing this rear end is missing is a nice diffuser. We got that new spoiler piece, we have these side splitter things, and then we got this new front lip to put on. But yeah, I think a rear diffuser would complete this.
Alright, so to take this off, we need to do boom, boom, boom. And then we got screws right here. These ones only have 2. on the sides to get these covers off, these side splitters, because this one's not as wide as the new one. So let's get these out.
They look like they're the same as the rear spoiler, probably just some T20s. The next step is to take out. Oh, I love these bolts. And then, yeah, this splitter should come right out, I think. All right, the whole guard thing here is out. Next step is to drill out all of these little tiny rivets here, and then this stock splitter should come right off. Also, we found out these pieces right here are for if you don't want to run these big old pieces.
Life hack for anyone using or trying to get these stupid factory rivets out. Here you go. Simplest tool in the world. Spring punch. Put it right in the center and punch her out.
All right, stock one is all off. Gave it a wipe down, made sure everything is clean. Now we're gonna put a little bit of double-sided tape on there, which is also supplied here. Double-sided tape, make sure all the gaps are filled in with that, and then we'll start putting all the hardware in. All right, we also ended up removing these things because they were hitting a little bit right over here, but you don't really have to remove it all the way, but we just opted to remove them. All these front holes right here are the ones that you rivet, and then use the hardware on all these ones. And then the under tray goes back on, and that's pretty much it. Then the side piece, and you're good to go. All right, so for here, all along this like back portion of it, we reused the OEM hardware, so it all looks nice and OEM, and it all fits super good too. All right, so one thing to note here, every other bolt, one's going to be a self tapper, one's going to be a threaded rivet, every other one. So make sure to take note of that, and yeah, don't get them mixed up when you're putting them on. All right, we're home now, but once again, big shout out to the guys at Extreme Online Store for hooking me up, giving me the opportunity to surprise my buddy with those Vette parts, and his Vette looked super sick with that stuff on there. Everything fit super good, super high quality, on par with OEM. And just another reminder, this front lip right here and those side splitters are also from Extreme Online Store, and this stuff fit great as well. So be sure to check out Extreme Online Store. The link to their site will be down in the description. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna see you in the next one. Peace.